Previously on Chrome Dev Summit.
I feel like a enterprise Java developer or something.
Well, don't you need those?
We're not jazzy enough. Can you play that?
The vote is in. It's Tuxedos.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome to day 2 of Chrome Dev Summit. Come on, mate, come on. We're going to have a great day filled with talks. We're going to have some code labs later on. There'll be lunch. That's going to happen probably at lunchtime.
Yes.
Yeah. The same as yesterday, like every good conference should, we have a code of conduct. It is printed out sort of around the venue and on the website. But the gist of it is really that we need to all work together, share ideas with each other. The aim is that we all leave here kind of happier and smarter than we arrived.
Perfect. Okay, well, we should get on with the show, as it were. And in order to do that, we're going to kick off the day with Housing.com. Give a massive round of applause for Housing.com.
Good morning, everyone. It feels great to be here. We are really excited to present our journey of how we built Housing.com, the mobile version. So I'm Rahul. I lead the front-end team at Housing. As the name suggests, we are into home buying, and for most of our users, home buying is a once-in-a-lifetime event. And it's a long
gave us. So but when I did the slides, Paul asked me to be honest with you and talk about the pain points. So I went through and I tried to do a list, and I talked with my team, and we talked about how has this experience been? But it was actually sweet. It worked as advertised. Of course we had certain pain points doing PWA, but everyone, that's what we've been talking about for the last few days. When it comes to actually embedding AMP inside of the PWA, it just works as advertised. With that, Paul, I'd like to bring out Paul again so you can wrap up.
All right. Thank you, David.
Okay.
So wrap up. Now there you got it. We successfully combined AMP with a progressive web app. And now the user always gets a fast experience, no matter what. Your site is progressively enhanced. You have less backend complexity because you just have one data source. And profit from the built-in performance of AMP everywhere, even in your progressive web app. And that really reduces the overall investment. Now, before I leave you, keep in mind that this is just one pattern to build sites. And won't work for everyone. You probably shouldn't build the next Airhorner or Gmail with it, but focus on sites that have a lot of leaf nodes, individual sites with lots of static content. By all means, find out if that pattern is the right one for you, and feel free to get in touch to discuss. So check out our React-based demo. Check out beta.mike.com to actually see a live experience. And also learn more about progressive web apps on developers.google.com/web. And of course, more about AMP on ampproject.org. And I really can't wait to see what you've built. Thank you.
Right. So, it's break time.
You have until 11:30.
See you at 11:30.
Hello and welcome back.
Yes.
Now, this afternoon there is a browser vendor panel, very similar to the Chrome leadership panel yesterday, except that it's for folks from multiple browser vendors. And so if you want to ask any questions...
It's not just Chrome people, right?
It's not just Chrome
It's not going to
people.
be just a group of people agreeing with each other, like
Exactly.
all the other panels are.
Exactly. So if you've got questions, pop those into the Slack channel, and we will pick them up, and we'll try and get through the ones that we can, and so on. So don't forget to do that, and that'll make this afternoon a lot more fun. We'll probably have the microphones up front as well for the folks here as well. So enjoy that.
And before we bring Addy out, we're going to do a couple of more quiz.
And we want feedback. So please reach out to us. We have this kind of big GitHub issue open that details some of what we're planning on doing. And let us know what you think and what areas you'd like to see us focus on, or the areas that seem like they wouldn't work for you. And we're going to definitely take that into account. So last but not least, there's a great new service worker push messaging library that was just released by my colleague, Matt Gauntz. And it provides a production-ready approach to using Firebase Cloud Messaging, push notifications within your service worker. So we don't, unfortunately, have time to dive into that right now, but Matt will be at the service worker breakout session later today for folks here live, and he'll be demonstrating a bit there. So thanks to everybody for their time, both in person and on video, and we hope that you'll take advantage of all these tools and build a production-ready service worker for your progressive web app. So thank you.
Right.
It's time for lunch, which means if you can be back here for 2 p.m., that would be great.
And if you have special dietary requirements that you've already told us about, on the ground floor in the corner, there's the bar thing over there, that's where your food will be. See you back at 2.
See ya.
Welcome back.
Hello.
How's everyone doing?
Yeah. Was lunch okay? Good.
Excellent.
Not even listening to the answer.
So, the ante has been upped.
Indeed. Yesterday you heard Alex Russell mention about what was it, sort of performance challenged mobile devices, or as some people call them around the world, my phone. And he has very kindly donated 3 of these.
It will be the worst phone you've ever owned.
But we wanted to bring the mug and the phone.
Today, literally right now, almost every single site that can implement that stupid 18-line service worker that I had in a way, and you will instantly, your whole site might not work offline, but you can have faster caching. You can have a faster load from almost all your users. Try out the new Signy features and try it out today. Try something stupid. The web's really cool. Yeah, thanks everybody.
Were you going to go off that way? Oh, no, that doesn't work. It's like you just end up in a loop going around forever and ever, and that's awkward.
Right. So what are we now? It's a break and breakouts and code labs.
Yes, and you've heard loads from us in the last sort of day and a half, 2 days. And this is a conversation. It's a two-way street. So this is your opportunity to have conversations, give us feedback on various topics. And there is quite a lot going on.
Yes. So in the main auditorium, which
That's
is this is here, from 4 to 4:30, there's from 0 to service worker. Never heard of service workers.
No.
From 4:30 to 5, scalable loading, which is kind of H2 push and that sort of thing.
Floor 1. Now I have to recalibrate. Floor 1 is not ground. It is ground floor.
Yes. Oh, it is.
Yes. Because I would have sent you up there if I was in the UK, but I'm not. So
Okay,
it's down here.
downstairs, yep.
Right, 4 till 4:30 is WebAssembly. Ooh, the wasm. And Firebase as well. So there's 2 out there. And then at 4:30 till 5, it's push notifications and background and WebVR. Oh yes.
So England is 0 based on floor numbers.
I've
That's
got-
the right thing.
I've got to
isn't
be
it?
honest with you. Yeah. Pretty happy about
so
that.
on floor 2, from 4 to 4:30, it's AMP as a starting point. At the same time, media techniques and approaches. 4:30 to 5, there's Houdini, which is all the kind of magic, cool CSS
Like, what if you
compositor
could write your
worker.
own layout engine, things like that? That'd be amazing.
And then 4:30 to 5, the web platform predictability pain points.
All right. I'm sure there'll be signed and stuff out there as well and in here. So just make yourselves, go and get yourselves a drink or whatever, and we'll see you back here at 5 o'clock for the browser panel. Don't forget to submit your questions. Thank you.
chairs here now.
Going to pop this here
Yup.
for the incoming thing. Oh, I think a lot of people are still out in the breakouts. Well, you snooze, you lose.
Yeah,
in
they're
this
going to miss out
game.
on the next couple of rounds of the quiz.
Awkward. That means you can go ahead. Huh?
There's terrible phones up for grabs.
Oh, yeah. And lest we forget, the mugs.
Oh, yes, the mugs, of course.
All right. We all good?
Shall we go for a question?
Yeah, we shall.
Yeah, I'll read this one. Well, that screen. So you probably have the question on your screen.
You can come and get your prizes if you like.
Are you all here? Do we have Nicholas here, Philip here, Matasaka here? Yeah. Do you want to
Come and get.
come up here? Come up here. Didn't see you down there.
You're not gonna. It's not gonna sort itself. And also, yeah, you've come for the souvenir selfie, haven't you? As well. Yeah, of course you have.
All the things.
You win a terrible phone. There you go. No one.
Yes.
All right. Jake.
There's the rim.
Jake.
Oh,
Quick.
getting this all wrong.
Quick. Can't. It's not gonna sort itself.
The best part of the prize, we'll send you that.
Off you go.
You're
That'll
really
go
smart.
straight
You
to
should
Twitter
write a
if you're
series of
all right with
books or
that. Come on
something.
up. Pick up a mug. It's not going to pick itself up. Super duper.
The worst prizes ever.
There you go.
And don't forget the phone.
On the phone. You've got to take the phone. Take the phone.
Yeah, you don't have to have it. It is terrible.
All right, and here we go. Oh, selfie faces are the best. All right. Thank you very much. And
Thank you very much.
Philip, you got yeah.
Oh,
good.
the phone. Yes, okay.
You got a very, haven't you? And smile. There we go.
Congratulations.
Thank you very
Huge
much.
Round of applause for them. Oh. Wow.
Well, that is
Okay.
everything sorted.
Yeah. Got it. It's felt like a long
You got
final talk. No, a long day. It's been a long couple of days. I've had a lot of fun. Have you had fun?
I've had fun. Have you all had fun?
Well, so I think the last thing we do is sort of thank everyone. We're not going to do that thing where we just name everyone and we do a separate round of applause for each because we've been here long enough.
Absolutely. So we'll do the speedy version where you start clapping and we'll start making our way through the list and then we're good.
And then we all go home.
That's it. That's what happens. All
So
right.
a huge thanks to the organisers,
I start clapping. Here we go. The caterers,
the security,
AV team,
the video production team,
social team,
the speakers,
panelists.
and so everyone here, they make it look like really easy, and
They do.
making it look easy
Is
is
really
really hard, right? But also a huge thanks to everyone,
All of you.
who's here,
And everybody on the live
who's
stream.
endured
Thank you
that
so much for
and the
coming.
live stream. Hopefully see you next year at Chrome Dev Summit 2017. Thank you very much.